What's up, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this and I got it from Amazon warehouse, which saved me a couple bucks because it's basically an open box item. So keep that in mind. If you buy this thing brand new, the contents may look slightly different, but otherwise it seems to be, it's supposed to be in like new condition. So this is a 20-volt reciprocating sawzall. I love these things. This one obviously is pretty small. And one of the things that I've noticed is that once you start getting into an ecosystem of lithium-ion battery tools, you kind of want to stay there because it's really the batteries that cost a lot. And when you have the batteries and the charger already, you can just buy what we call the core tool. So the tool without the batteries and just kind of rotate them, because very rarely are you running all your tools at once. And even then, you can check out my video about buying some aftermarket batteries, which has saved me a lot of money and also kept my tools kind of in constant rotation. So here it is. This is the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt lithium-ion sawzall, reciprocating saw. And what I like about it is in this little bag we get the instructions, but we also get a reciprocating saw blade here. So it does come with that as well, and I'm digging that. And I would love to get all this on. So you can see here, we've got the guard here. That's all metal hardware. The saw blade, there's a little flap right here, plastic flap. And so you lift that up. Looks like it's under spring tension, so it always wants to close on it. And so you'll pull this open here, hold it open, and slide the saw blade in there. And there's a little hole in the end of the blade, and you're gonna wanna get that lined up so that when that closes, that's holding it in. Boom, just like that. I do like this whole black plastic on kind of the fore end of the sawzall is rubberized. It's grippy, really grippy. It's got nice texture on the top and the bottom, but it's really grippy, it's rubber. And then you have down here the motor, right in here, lots of venting on both sides. You have the battery receiver right there. You also have here where it's all black. This is really grippy, rubberish plastic too. You also have a lock on the top here, kind of a cross lock, and plastic trigger, like a 1911. And then when I lock it, I cannot pull that trigger back anymore. So unlock, so you don't have to worry about it. So if you are worried when you put it down, got people around, hit that lock and it won't go off. So now the thing is, we just got to try this bad boy out. All right, got the battery in. Seems to be pretty charged up, and I've got this bush here which has seemed to bite the dust, and yeah, broken all over thanks to heavy winter weather. So I'm just gonna trim it up here and get rid of some of this. Wow, that was pretty easy. And this seems to be broken way down at the base, but not sure if I'm going to be able to get through this because it's kind of under dirt in a lot of ways. Oh, almost through it. But we demo here. Man, it's making small work of these branches, that's for sure. That's a big help in cleaning this up a little bit. All right. Well, thing works. That sure is the truth, and it's not that expensive. So if you want to pick one of these up, I would highly recommend it. They're great for just trimming stuff up around the yard here, or taking down tree limbs, or garage work, or stuff around the house. Like I said, and for a really good price. I'll put a link to the description. Peter Von Panda out.